Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your brewery business. If you run brewery business, then sharing beer menus and upcoming events can take up a lot of your time. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is a WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for brewery business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I'm going to send a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds with, hey, welcome to our brewery business. What can I help you with today? And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says view beer menu. And it responds us with, here's our current tap list, hazy IPA 6.2%, classic ledger 5.0%, mango wheat 4.8%, nitro stout 6.5%. View full menu, and it has provided us with a clickable link of the full menu. Next, I'm going to click on upcoming events, and our chatbot responds us with, live music Fridays every Friday 7 p.m, beer and BBQ Sunday, first Sunday each month, Brewmaster Talks every third Thursday 6 p.m. For more info, it has provided us with this link. Lastly, I'm going to select the last option that says book tasting. And it is asking me for preferred date, so I'm going to send a preferred date like this. And then it is asking me for email address. I'm going to send a demo email address like this, and it responds me with, we have received your details as this given date and this given email address. We will send confirmation soon. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for brewery business. If you want to learn how to create this chatbot, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Brewery Business. On the screen, you can see there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button, and here I am going to add a welcome message. Here I have added this message. It will look like this to the user, and here I have added these little star signs because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here with the help of add button option, I am going to add some quick reply options such as, here I have added these quick reply options. Now we have to curate a response for each one. Let's begin with view beer menu. And for this, I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add this message. It will look like this to the user. And at last, we have also added a clickable link of the full menu. Next, we are going to curate a response for upcoming events, and for this, I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add all the upcoming events like this. Our message will look like this, and here I've added all the info of the upcoming events in a link format. And lastly, I'm going to curate a response for book tasting, and for this I'm going to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and here I'm going to add this message, let's book your tasting session, please send preferred date. Here we have an option to select contact custom field. If you want to know how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Here I'm going to select time, and as format, I'm going to select any. Then I'm going to curate another question, and here I'm going to add question where I've asked for email address. I'm going to link it to the question box. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select email, and in the format, I'm going to select email. And you can provide as many number of attempts as you want, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty, and then I'm going to curate a confirmation message. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. And this is how we have completed our WhatsApp chatbot. You can follow the same procedures as I've shown in this video. And once you have created your chatbot, you can save your flow from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.